Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have a 2022 Sandpiper Destination Series 401 FLX. Let's take a look here. Couples model, power awning, patio door and bedroom door entrance, outside speakers. We've got the underbelly armor on this unit also, screen door. Nice big king bed, accent lighting, second air, ceiling fan, lots and lots of storage. This unit is prepped for a washer dryer, or you can use it for a closet. Room for a second TV. Our shower area, nice big shower. Living room, kitchen area. Kitchen island, 4-burner cooktop oven with the 3D cooking, and that's kind of a fan in the back, helps it cook. Lots of storage. Self-closing cabinet doors. Residential refrigerator. Fireplace. Soundbar, TV, fold-out couch, Wi-Fi booster already, recliners, table and chairs, all kinds of good stuff, and one of the coolest ceiling fans around. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.